Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by combining the active ingredients to seed beneficial microbes. Pour 1 L non-chlorinated water, add 2 tablespoons molasses as a carbon source, then stir in 100 grams shredded compost or 100 ml compost tea. You do this because microbes need food and habitat immediately. Once mixed, cover the jar loosely to allow gas escape and place it at 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Make sure to use clean tools to avoid unwanted contaminants. Start timing from when the mixture first bubbles. You now manage the middle fermentation. Stir once or twice per day to distribute microbes and oxygen. This prevents anaerobic pockets and promotes beneficial aerobic bacteria. Monitor smells. Pleasant earthy aroma is good, rotten odors mean trouble. Check pH daily, keep it between 4, 5, and 6. 5 so beneficial strains thrive. Once stable after 48 hours, you can supplement with a teaspoon of sea mineral solution to boost micronutrients. Make sure to note temperature and activity. Consistent. You finish the process by straining the liquid out of solids after 5 to 7 days when activity has slowed. This liquid is your probiotic concentrate. Dilute 1 to 10 for foliar spray or 1 to 50 for soil drench, because concentration affects plant safety and microbial balance. Store the concentrate in the fridge or a cool, dark place and use within 2 to 4 weeks. If you detect foul odors, visible mold, or black film, stop using it. Discard and sanitize everything before restarting. Contamination is the key issue to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.